Hello students, today we will discuss an important topic of class 11th physics. It is measuring high and large distances. So students, we know length is measured in meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer. So these are the units of distance which are very small distance, you can say. So students, if we are uh, supposed to calculate distance between two astronomical bodies or two heavenly bodies, then these units are small. So we will now discuss about practical units of large distances. Practical units used for measuring large distances means distance between two planets, distance between two stars, etc. So there are three methods and three parameters by which we can measure the distance between two planets or two heavenly bodies. Students, these are light year, astronomical unit and parsec. So what are these? Let's discuss. Light year. Light year is the distance covered by light in 1 year in vacuum with the speed of 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. We had discussed in our class 10th the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second in vacuum. So with this speed, how much distance is covering by the light in 1 year? That is known as light year. And 1 light year is calculated and its value is 9.46 into 10 raised to the power 15 meter. You have to you have to revise this number, that this is the value of 1 light year. So come to second parameter, it is astronomical unit. Student, astronomical, then as the name indicates, the distance between two astronomical bodies. So average distance between center of sun to the center of earth is known as 1 astronomical unit. Students, we know earth revolve around sun in an elliptical orbit. It has two axes, major axis and minor axis. So the average distance between the center of earth to the center of sun is known as astronomical unit, and its value is 1.496 into 10 raised to the power 11 meter. So next is parsec. So what is parsec? Students, we know if a body is revolving in a circle or covering its path in a circular orbit, then at the center of that circle, if an arc of 1 astronomical unit long makes an angle 1 second, then radius of that circle is known as 1 parsec. Students, angle is equal to arc upon radius, and if angle at center of this circle is 1 second and length of this arc is, say, name of this arc is PQ. If this PQ arc length is 1 astronomical unit and it is making 1 second angle at center, then the radius of this circle is known as 1 parsec. Students, we know angle is measured in degree, radian, minutes, second. So in 1 degree there are 60 minutes and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So 1 second means 1 upon 3600 degree. So if we use that relation, that angle is equal to arc upon radius, arc is 1 astronomical unit, radius is 1 parsec. So 1 parsec will be 1 astronomical unit upon angle. 1 astronomical unit upon angle is 1 second. 1 parsec is equal to 1 astronomical unit. We had calculated this value here. So it will be 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter upon 1 upon 3600 degree. And if we convert degree to radian in SI units, and then 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So multiply it with pi by 180, then it is 3.08 into 10 raised to the power 16 meter. This is the value of 1 parsec. So how we will define parsec? It is the radius of that circle at the center of which an arc of 1 astronomical unit long makes an angle of 1 second. So if we relate the three parameters, parsec, light year and astronomical units, to students, 1 light year is equal to 6.34 into 10 raised to the power 4 astronomical unit, and 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. So if we want to arrange them in the decreasing order, then highest value is 1 parsec, then 1 light year and then 1 astronomical unit.